Well, hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Thanks for stopping in, watching the video. Today, this video is going to be two parts. First part is kicking off my group build, the hashtag error correct 24 group build. Let me throw out the rules real quick. If and I'd really love it if a couple of people joined. If not, I'll do it on my own. So, model any vehicle, model year 1954 or before. So no tri-5s, nothing past that era. So, what do they call them? The brass era cars, the pre-war cars, that kind of stuff. If you want to do tanks, planes, motorcycles, whatever you want to do on that, started, not started, brand new, don't care. Any style you want, whether that's rat rod, race car, assembly line correct. I have two caveats for the build though. Well, I guess really it's just one. It's error correct. So you can't, if you do a hot rod or a custom or whatever, nothing that you can't use anything that would have existed after that time period. So if it existed after, if it came into existence after 1954, can't use it. So your hot rod parts have to be in existence before 1954. Before paint colors, so no lime time green, nothing like that. No fuel injection, no nitrous, no any stuff like that. I want to see cars from the teens, 20s, 30s, 40s, early 50s with parts, colors, all that kind of stuff from 20s, 30s, 40s, early 50s. I'm a little late kicking it off myself. The idea was to go from my birthday on February 15th to my mother's birthday on June 9th, kind of a memorial to her, because she liked the similar era of cars. She grew up in that era. If I remember correctly, her first car, and maybe it wasn't her first car, it was one that she got it at some point in time. She drove a 55 Buick that she sent to the scrapyard when Missouri instituted state inspections. And I heard that story in my early teens, and I knew what a 55 Buick was. I knew the value of a 55 Buick, and I kicked her because, oh my God, Mom. And she said it was perfect condition, no rust, ran great, all that stuff. This transmission had started to slip, so she just, poof. Oh, the things we wish we could do over. Anyway, so this is me. So yeah, that's the bottom line. Give me an entry video. Give me a completion video, final video on June 9th. And we can all say happy birthday to my mom. She was an amazing woman. If you get involved in this build, I appreciate it very much. That said, I guess I should do my own entry, huh? I have decided to do the Monogram Museum Pieces Packard Boattail Speedster. Yeah, I think these are very elegant cars. I have several kits I could choose from. It was a difficult decision, as you can see from the reflection on the cellophane. This one is brand new, sealed in the box. And I'm going to start with that, and hopefully, with the new job and my sporadic building and sporadic videos, I can pull off my own group build. So let's see if I can accomplish that. So yeah, I just think all the cars in this era are really elegant, with all the chrome and the colors and the textures and the designs and lines. There's a Bugatti Coupe Napoleon I thought about. I thought about the Auburn Boattail Speedster. There's Lincolns, there's Duesenbergs, there's older Chryslers and Chevrolet Cabriolet stuff. Yeah, just anything you want to do in that era. I think it'll be really fun. I'm kind of like, what's his name? Matt. I love this era of cars. If you get brass eras doing like the Mercer runabouts, or what was one I was looking at today? Something racer. I know Mercedes has one. I can't remember, but I was looking at it. Oh, the Stutz Racer. The Stutz Racer. That's it. Anyway, this is what I'm doing. And that's what I got for that. Part 2 of this video is my birthday stash. And I'm going to try to keep this short. If you like rare kits, you're going to want to stick through on this. I'm going to do this a bit at a time. I bought 3 kits. I've got some stash ads along the way in the last few months when I said I was going to start saving up and buy myself something real nice for my birthday. I did. It's something it's been in my sights for a while. It's very hard to come by. It's very hard to come by decent condition at any kind of reasonable price. But I got 3 kits, package deal. Was it? No, it was not eBay. It was Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace. I'm not going to remember the guy's name off the top of my head, but I know he's fairly active on Marketplace. It might pop in here. Anyway, apparently I have a thing for lowriders because there's just so much love and effort put into those things. So, 3 cars, 3 kits. Sealed, completely sealed. 60 Chevy hardtop lowrider. I just love these things. I love these lowriders, especially when they have murals in the decals. And, I've got half a dozen 59, 60 Chevy Impalas. I hope these decals are good, because I really don't know where. If you know a good place to get decals for lowriders anymore, drop it in the comments. I think that'll be my question of the day. There was a guy, I believe on Facebook, three years ago, that did a lot of, that's all he did was lowrider decals. And I can't remember his name, or the name of the Facebook page, but he went out of business, lost his computer, lost all his files and everything, and I haven't seen him pop up since. But he had decals, murals, stripes, colored, all kinds of different decals for several different lowrider style cars. But yeah, this one I'm super happy to get. And the 59 and the 60 Impala aren't much different. But yeah, I'm happy to get that. I can go over there. The other one is, of course, the 59 Chevy lowrider. Again, sealed, as you can tell from the reflections on the cellophane. I like this one too. I like that I've got a top up and a top down. Basically, almost the same car. I love the Continental kits. I think what the bottom line is, I wouldn't say I'm a flashy person, but I definitely like to stand out in a crowd. I'm not a sucker for the limelight or anything like that. I'm just there. If there's a room and I'm in it, I'm probably going to be the center of attention, or, well known, or that kind of thing. But I like things that stand out. Again, we've got murals and graphics, and I love it. So I've got the 60 with the hard top, I've got the 59 with the top down, and I don't know if you can pick them out, or even if you can see them on the edge there. Probably not, because they're on the other side of that stack of models. If you throw in the Donk series by Revell, I probably have 20 different lowrider kits, or lowrider style kits, high riders, whatever. Oh my goodness, and the Rebel Uptown series with the scissor doors and the big chrome wheels. Yeah, that would be 25 or 30. I bet I have 25 or 30 lowrider kits. And I kind of did it accidentally. I never meant to be a lowrider fanatic, but apparently I am. Alright, so this is the Pièce de Résistance. Hold your breath. Get you the drool cup. Because damn. This became a holy grail after I got a couple of holy grails. My ultimate holy grail was the Johann. I have the Heavenly Hearse version. I really, if you have a Johann funeral car hearse box, just the box, I want it. I want it. I want it. I want it. I drove that car in high school, but I have the Heavenly Hearse kit, the Heavenly Hearse version of it. That was my ultimate holy grail. Second was the Johann Javelin, which I have also. A couple others. And I'll have two questions. When you get a Holy Grail kit, is there a new kit that becomes a Holy Grail? Or are you satisfied? And nothing obsesses you like this? I'm not. I got those top end number 1 Holy Grails. Number 1, number 2. I won't say this one's number 3, but after I came across it one time, and not even in person, on the internet, this was right up there. I'd say top 10 at the very, very least, possibly top 5. So this has been a holy grail for, I'd say, a year or so. Here you go. MPC Mako Shark. I love this car. The Mako Shark was a concept car that was never produced as it is in this kit. I don't know if we can see him here. One of the things I love is this teardrop, this boat tail look on the back. Dude, for whatever reason, I'm a sucker for boat tail. I like this boat tail. I mentioned the boat tail Auburn. I'm doing the boat tail Packard. And one of my all-time favorite cars is boat tail Rib. It is what it is. I'm a sucker for a boat tail. I love the whole flip front end. What else can we see here? I call them shoulders, but the shoulders on the wheel wells, or fender wells, fenders, whatever, are accentuated on the Mako Shark more than they are on a normal Stingray. And this kit, it doesn't say, actually, here, there you go. It does say on the kit, not on the front. It comes with a trailer. So I get this kit, and we've got a body. God, that thing's little. And I've got sprues in a bag. I've got baggies and baggies and baggies. As far as this was sold to me as complete and unstarted. It is unstarted. I have not personally inventoried parts, and I probably won't. There's baggies of loose parts. The tires are in baggies. It looks to be complete, unstarted, unmolested MPC Mako Shark. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Goodness. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh my God. Sean, I didn't even mean to say that. That got out of my mouth. That got out of my mouth. I'm like, good Lord, Grady, you sound just like Sean. Even getting a little southern accent in there. Anyway, those 3 are my birthday stash ad. Got these all 3 in a package. And if you look these up, say on eBay, or even any other sites that might sell them. I didn't pay anywhere near what you're going to find, especially this one. I didn't pay. Dang it, and I almost had the guy's name too, and I was going to say give him a public thank you. But if you see this group of 3 and you sold them to me, thank you. Man, yeah, I didn't pay anywhere near what they retail for. And I'm glad, because I wouldn't have paid all that. Anyway, that was my birthday stash ad. Thanks for joining the video. 2 questions for the end. If you find your Holy Grail kit and you get it in your hot little hands, do you then figure out, and not consciously, oh, now I need a new Holy Grail, but does another kit come to the top of the list and I want that one, and you start obsessing about that, and let's call it another Holy Grail. What was the other question? I already forgot what I was going to say. I think I can leave it at that, and hopefully I'll remember the other one later. I hope you jump in on the Era Correct 24 group build. I'd appreciate it very much. It'd make me feel good and help me remember my mom quite a bit. She's been gone 16 years. Lost her in September. 16 years ago this past September. It's been quite a while. I think that's all I got. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you got this far, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me a finger. It all shakes the algorithms. Leave me a comment down below. What is your current Holy Grail kit? And when you acquire a Holy Grail kit, do you have a new Holy Grail kit after that, and after that, and after that, and after that? And I think that's all I got. What was the other one? Something to do with that Boat Tail Packard. I don't know. I don't remember. Hey, if you remember, tell me what the question was that I forgot down in the comments too. Anyway, leave me a comment. Shake those algorithms. I really appreciate you watching. I appreciate you watching to the end. As always, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. I'll see you next time.